For those of you who are new to TII and new to Moodle, I've put together this video that'll give you a few tips to help you get started. In this video, we'll look at how you log into Moodle, and then we'll look at how you navigate through your courses. Then we'll look at how you upload some assignments, specifically for TS 512, and then at the end we'll look at what you do if you need to reset your password. We'll begin here at the login page for Moodle. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my username and password. For the purposes of this video, my username will be teststudent, and my password will be the same password that everyone gets when they join TII, Cutter123, with the first A substituted with an @ symbol. I'll click Login. Ignore that window. What happens next is Moodle will ask me to reset my password. And remember that when I reset my password, it needs to have at least 8 characters. It has to have 1 digit, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 uppercase letter, and then 1 non-alphanumeric character. So asterisk, $, anything. So I'll put in my current password, and then I'll put in a new password. And I'll click Save Changes. Again, ignore that window. My password's changed, and then I'll hit Continue. The first thing you'll see when you log into Moodle from now on is you'll be on the Home tab, and you'll see all of the courses that are currently being offered at TII this semester. If you want to see the courses that you're registered for, you would click on My Courses, and you can see that I'm registered for only one course, which is Introduction to Research Methods. So I'm going to click there. The first thing you'll notice is that Moodle is divided up into weeks. So here's the first week of class, second week, third week, and so on through the end of the semester. You can also click here to navigate through those links. So now I want to show you how you would download the survey, take it, and then upload the survey to Moodle along with a writing sample. Let's get started. The first thing is I can see that the survey is right here. I'm going to click on it. It'll download. I can open it. It's a Word document. And you can see that I have a bunch of questions that I've asked you to answer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this to the desktop so I don't lose it. And then I'll just put in my answers. Now here I've just put in nonsense answers, but you get the idea. Then what I'll do is I will save it. I'll close it here, but it's right here on my desktop, and then I'll go back to the Moodle page. Now here we'll see an assignment that's called Class Survey. So I will click on it, and then I will click on Add Submission. Now here I have two choices. I can either drag and drop the item right into the file box here, or I can click on the Add File button, and I'll do that. I'll click on Choose File. I'll go to the desktop and click on Survey, and then I'll go to Upload this file. Once that's uploaded, I'll click on Save Changes, and that's it. I'm done. If I need to make a change, like I suddenly realized I uploaded the wrong file, I can. Of course, once the deadline for the assignment is passed, you can't edit your submission. Let's return to the main page for TS 512. I'll click here. And now let's submit the writing sample. So I'll click on Writing Sample. And then I'll click on the Submit Paper icon. Again, the process is very similar to the process for uploading the survey. I can either drag and drop the file here into this box, or I can click on the Add File button here, and that's what I'm going to do. Also, I need to add a submission title. So here I'll just put Writing Sample with my name. I'll click Choose File. Again, I'm already on the desktop, and I'll click Writing Sample. And then I will click on Upload this file. And then Add Submission. Once it's uploaded, I'll click on Close in the upper right corner. And I can see here that everything has been uploaded. If I need to make a change, I can click here and submit again. If I want to download the submission I just uploaded, I can click here. And so just to review, I can download the survey by clicking here. I can upload the survey by clicking here, and then I can upload my writing sample by clicking here. The last thing I want to look at is what you would do if you have forgotten your username or password. Now, what you would do if that happens is you go to the login page and you click on Forgotten Your Name or Password. And if you've forgotten only your password, you can add your username here. If you've forgotten both, you can add your email address here. And your email address will be your HBKU email address. So what I will do is I will add the email address here. And then I'll click Search. And then Moodle will tell me if your email address is in our system, we'll send you a reset link. And you can click on Continue. And if I go over to my email, I can see that I have a new email from Hytham with a link where I can reset my password. So I'll click there, and I can see this is my username, and then I'll add a new password. Then I'll click on Save Changes. Ignore that. My password's been reset, and now I'm logged back into Moodle.